How to fix Fortnite install failed? An unknown error has occurred during installation of Fortnite. Error code ISEO early exit. First step, completely close Epic Games launcher. Restart your device, then move on with next step. Open run and type the following text. Percentage local app data percentage. Type it, click OK. Scroll down and search for Epic Games launcher folder. Click it. Click saved folder. Click webcache folder and delete it. After deleting, close it, then move on with next step. Open this PC. Click it. Click C drive. Program files. Epic Games. Fortnite folder. If the Fortnite is completely installed, means no need to delete the folder. If it's partially installed or it starts for installing for few MBs, means you can delete it. After deleting, move on with next step. Check free space. Make sure you have enough memory space. If you're not having the enough memory space, means sometimes the error will occur. Make sure the driver you installing Fortnite have free space. Right click properties, click tools and scan the drive. Successfully scanned, no error found. Close it. Then move on with next step. Check Windows security. Search for Windows security. Click it. Click protection history. Check whether anything related to Epic Games or Fortnite was blocked. If it's blocked, means it will show in this area. You can check it. And the last and final step, click settings. Click network and internet settings. Click advanced network settings. Click network reset and click reset now.